Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how to allow only your contacts to view your profile in WhatsApp. If you value your privacy and want to restrict access to your profile, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your device. Locate the WhatsApp icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the main interface of WhatsApp, look for the 3 stacked dots in the top right corner. Tap on it to access the menu. Step 3. In the menu you'll find various options. Locate and tap on Settings, and then select Privacy. Step 4. Under the Privacy settings, you'll see different options related to your account privacy. Look for Profile Photo and tap on it. Step 5. A list of options will appear for you to choose from. Select My Contacts to allow only your contacts to view your profile photo. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that only your contacts have access to your profile photo in WhatsApp, adding an extra layer of privacy to your conversations and personal information. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you protect your privacy on WhatsApp by allowing only your contacts to view your profile. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tricks.